So we're at the halfway point of the year. And if we look at the beginning of the year, the first 2 weeks of January, it looked like the market was going to take off and that we were going to really see things start to rebound and bounce back. However, then the tariff war came and everything basically shut down. Now, funny enough, if we look at the last 2 weeks of June, we're seeing a similar pattern. It looks like things are starting to pick back up and we're starting to see a bit more encouragement in the market. Now, typically the real estate market will slow over the summer months. People go on holidays and you start to see families take a breather from looking at real estate. So even if things hold steady throughout the summer, flat sales actually could mean underlying strength building up in our real estate market. Breaking down the numbers, Guelph home sales in June remained the same as May at 177, but down about 7% from last year. KW's market saw 468 homes sold, which is up 7% from May and 6% year over year. Cambridge saw 149 homes sell, which was a 7% decrease from May and down 8% year over year. In terms of pricing, Guelph's average sale price landed at $826,000, almost identical to last month. But what's interesting is it's up 4.85% compared to this time last year. In my opinion, that bump probably comes down to how much prices dipped in June through August last year. Over in the KW area, the average sale price came in at $760,000. So that's down 2.17% from the month before. Too soon to say, but it could just be a little blip or something bigger. Year over year, it's down 1.7%. So not a huge change here either. Cambridge stayed pretty steady. The average sale price was $760,000 as well, basically flat compared to both last month and last year. So not much of a story here. Sometimes though, flat can be good. Inventory continues to build with 1,810 new properties across the regions to come onto the market last month. So we're still definitely in a buyer's market, which creates great opportunity whether you're a first-time buyer, an investor, or somebody who's looking to upsize. There are lots of opportunities and choices out there, and there's some really good deals to be found. For sellers, pricing is everything right now. You have to show value. You want to make sure that your home is presented as well as possible, whether that's staging, some fresh paint, or doing whatever you can to make it stand out in this market. And when you do get an offer, you want to work with it and don't sweat the small stuff. Homes are selling, but not every one of them is selling right now. So you want to make sure that you're one of the ones that does. In my opinion, the market is slowly but surely showing some signs of recovering. The second half, I believe, will be a bit stronger than the first half, probably nothing radically different. However, if we do see tariffs get resolved and a couple more interest rate drops, we could have a fairly strong finish to the year.